Welcome back! Today we're unlocking the secrets to a sky-high credit score. No myths, just proven strategies. If you feel stuck with a low score, whether you want a house, a car, or those top-tier rewards cards, this is for you. That 800-plus score isn't magic, it's a system you can master. I'll break down 5 powerful steps to boost your score fast. Forget the fluff. These are actionable hacks you can use right now. By the end, you'll know exactly what matters and how to take control. Let's dive in and transform your financial future. The #1 rule, the golden rule of personal finance: pay your bills on time and in full. It sounds simple, but it's the bedrock of a healthy financial life. This single factor alone makes up a whopping 35% of your FICO score, making it the most influential component. Every on-time, in-full payment, no matter how small, is a building block for your financial reputation, solidifying your creditworthiness one payment at a time. Think of it as laying the foundation for a strong financial future. Don't just pay the minimum, that's a trap. Clear your statement balance every month. Aim for a zero balance statement to avoid unnecessary interest charges. This habit saves you money on interest, freeing up funds for other financial goals, and shows lenders you're responsible and reliable, making you a more attractive borrower. Set up autopay or reminders, whatever it takes, never ever miss a payment. Treat those due dates as sacred. One late payment can drop your score by over 100 points, a significant setback, and haunt you for years, impacting your ability to secure loans and favorable interest rates. Most issuers report late payments after 30 days, so don't risk it. The consequences are simply not worth it. Make it your mission, your unwavering commitment to pay every statement on time and in full. No exceptions, no excuses. This is the foundation of a great credit score, the cornerstone of your financial well-being. Automate it, schedule it, just get it done. Make it a seamless part of your routine. The payoff? Better loan terms, lower rates, and premium financial products, opening doors to opportunities you might not have otherwise had. This is the #1 hack for a reason. It's the most impactful thing you can do for your credit. Nail this, and you're already ahead of the game. You're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Alright, next up, let's dive into credit utilization. This is a crucial factor that significantly impacts your credit score, so pay close attention. This refers to how much of your available credit you're actually using. It accounts for a substantial 30% of your overall credit score, making it a key area to manage effectively. The golden rule: keep your balances low. Aim for under 10% of your total credit limit. This is the sweet spot that lenders love to see. Did you have high utilization one month? Don't panic. Just pay it down significantly before your statement closes. You'll be surprised how quickly your score can bounce back. People with truly top-tier credit scores consistently maintain super low utilization rates. It's a hallmark of responsible credit management. Here's a pro tip for you. Pay down your balance before the statement closing date, which is not always the same as the due date. The statement closing date is what matters, because that's the figure that gets reported to the credit bureaus. For example, let's say you spend $3,000 on a credit card with a $5,000 limit. But you then pay off $2,800 before the statement closes. In that scenario, only the remaining $200 balance gets reported to the credit bureaus. And that's precisely how you keep your credit utilization low and your credit score looking fantastic. This is a monthly opportunity to actively boost your credit score and demonstrate responsible credit behavior. When you take control of your credit utilization, you're essentially taking control of a significant part of your overall credit destiny. It's a simple strategy, but incredibly powerful in its impact. Now let's dive into credit history length, a significant 15% chunk of your credit score. It's a factor you definitely want to pay attention to. The longer your credit accounts remain open, showcasing a history of responsible use, and consistently maintained in good standing, reflecting timely payments and responsible credit management, the better it is for your credit health. Never, ever close your oldest credit card, especially if it happily comes with no annual fee. That old card acts as a solid anchor for your credit history, providing a long-standing record, and significantly boosts your overall credit score over time. Use it occasionally, even for small purchases, to keep it active and in good standing, but primarily, let it age gracefully. Opening lots of new accounts in a short period can lower your average account age, so be strategic and thoughtful about when and why you open new credit lines. Play the long game. Time is undeniably your ally in building a strong credit profile. Keep those old accounts open, active, and in good standing for maximum benefit. Building a solid credit history is a marathon, requiring patience and consistent effort, not a sprint demanding immediate results. Protect and nurture your oldest account. It's key for your long-term financial success. New credit makes up 10% of your score, and timing matters. Every application triggers a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your score. Avoid applying for multiple cards at once, space them out by at least 3-6 months. If you're planning a big purchase like a home, hold off on new applications beforehand. Each new card should serve a purpose: better rewards or more available credit. More available credit lowers your utilization, which helps your score. Be strategic, not impulsive. Play the long game for the best results. Credit mix. Credit cards, loans, mortgages counts for 10% of your score. But don't stress about it. You don't need to take out loans just to diversify. Focus on the big wins: on-time payments and low utilization. Your credit mix will improve naturally as life happens. Don't overcomplicate things. Let your credit profile grow with your real needs. Stick to the fundamentals for a strong score. There you have it. 5 proven hacks to skyrocket your credit score in 2025. Focus on-time, in-full payments and low utilization. Be patient with your credit history, strategic with new credit, and don't stress about credit mix. These steps compound over time. Start now for a stronger financial future. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more money mastery tips. Thanks for watching. Implement these steps and watch your score soar.